Nobody told you this secret and it is costing you. Forget overpriced scarves. Your pantyhose, yes, you heard me, can give you the most simple and elegant head wrap styles. Don't believe me? Watch this video and see for yourself. Today I'm revealing a game changer using pantyhose to create 5 simple head wrap styles. Yes, so let's get started.
My prayer every day, Daddy, don't let them say, don't let them say, where is my God? Oh, my prayer every day, my prayer, Daddy, don't let them say, hey, don't let them ask, where my prayer every day. Oh, my God, don't let them all your mockers will turn to be your workers side of you. By the reason of this worship, the hand of God will make a way for you. Hey. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, remember me, oh Lord. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, Lord. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, my Father. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, Lord. Daddy, remember me, my Father. Remember me, Jesus. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, Lord. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, oh Lord. Remember me, Almighty. Remember me, dear Lord. Jesus, wherever you are, remember me.
So you can see the simple and gorgeous head wraps we've achieved with just our pantyhose. So if you really watched this video to this very point, I want to say a very big thank you, and don't forget to stay tuned for my next video.